Hi, I'm Shelly, and today we're doing something awesome in the kitchen. We're turning simple tofu into incredibly crispy nuggets. If you're all about that crunch and flavor without the meat, you're in the right place. So let's get started and whip up something delicious. First things first, we gotta press the tofu. You can either use a tofu press if you got one, or go the DIY route. Just wrap the tofu in a kitchen towel and place something heavy on top like a cast iron skillet. We're aiming to get all the water out, so give it a good 10 to 15 minutes. This step is a game changer for getting those nuggets nice and crispy. Okay, once our tofu is pressed and ready, it's time to shape our nuggets. Slice the tofu in half horizontally to make it easier to work with. Then cut each half into half-inch slabs. You get 3 pieces per slab. And now here's where we'll have a little bit of fun. We're going to tear each one of those little slabs into nugget-sized pieces. Don't worry about making them perfect. Those jagged edges are going to crisp up and beautifully give us that authentic nugget look. Plus they'll grab onto coatings even better. So let's get tearing and turn this tofu into some nuggets. Next, we're making vegan buttermilk, crucial for our batter. We're going to combine plant-based milk with some apple cider vinegar or lemon juice and wait 5 minutes until it thickens. This step is important because buttermilk adds tanginess and helps the batter adhere to the tofu, ensuring each nugget is perfectly coated and flavorful. Let's mix up our flour coating. Grab a bowl and blend together all-purpose flour, cornstarch for that extra crispiness, garlic powder, onion powder, some smoked paprika, and a dash of salt. This combination ensures our nuggets will have a crispy, flavorful crust that's just perfect. Now back to the buttermilk. Let's enhance it further. We're going to add in a splash of soy sauce for some depth, a drizzle of maple syrup for some subtle sweetness, and mix in some garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and a pinch of pepper. Then blend the seasonings together, and they give the nuggets a rich, full flavor that's truly delightful. Let's have some fun breading these nuggets. Set up your stations with the buttermilk, the seasoned flour, and breadcrumbs. I love using panko breadcrumbs for extra crunch, but feel free to use whatever you like or go for a gluten-free option if needed. Have your lined baking sheet at ready. Dip each tofu piece in the buttermilk, then coat with flour. Then we're going to dip again back into the buttermilk and then roll in the breadcrumbs, ensuring a good coat on each step. Once they're dressed up, place them on the baking sheet and they'll be ready to go into the oven. Now it's time for the oven. Pop your tray into a preheated oven at 425 degrees and let those nuggets bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Don't forget to give them a turn halfway through to ensure that you get evenly crisp and golden all around. The final step transforms our coated tofu pieces into irresistible crunchy nuggets that we're after. And that's a wrap on our crispy tofu nuggets. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. The full recipe is listed below, and thanks for watching and happy cooking.